How you doing, Mayor?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. You gonna make sure that these cops stop driving, speeding without the emergency lights on? I think that's a big problem here in Bakersfield. I brought it to your attention. I left a note last time, and nobody ever got back to me about it. And
Spoke with your assistant.
yeah, we spoke with your assistant.
Yeah, she follows up with people.
Yeah,
Have a
yeah.
great day. I've got to go in.
Yeah,
All right?
that dude Laura wouldn't have died though if somebody would have heard out my cries. You know what I'm saying? These cops are constantly driving and doing things that they ticket people for, and I think it's a shame. So maybe you can talk to the chief of police about it. That'd be great.
We'll all keep working together.
Yeah.
Thank you for caring.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for being a Karen.
Just dismissing it's like nothing.
Yeah.
Just want to say